Okay, people, I'm going to show you how to break down one of these TubeTown units. This is how you're going to get it, but you might need to take it apart to clean it out and get it ready for some new ants if you've been using it, or change the configuration in a multitude of different ways. So super easy and quick. First thing we're going to do is pull out the feeder, then we're going to pull out the gates. Any flat object will work. Once we've done that, simple push there to break it down. Then we're going to take this and rock it back and forth and lift it straight up, and then pull it back. And we'll pull the tube out. Then we'll remove this piece. This piece is designed to hold in some red clear film in order to cover the tube to prevent light if you're not using this inside of a rack. So that's our torn down tube section. We have O-rings in both ends here in order to capture the tube and hold it in nicely. Then we move on to this unit. Now that we have the gates out, we'll take off the front plate, and then we'll take off our badge holder. This is where the label goes to identify your stuff. This is designed for the 30 millimeter by 12 millimeter, I believe it is, Nimbot label. And the Nimbot labeler, it's like a really cool little $20 labeler that you can use for a lot of different purposes. Front gate. Now that the gates are gone, we can just slide out the top piece of glass. We'll move on to this piece of glass. We use the same size glass for the top and the side, and so we have to use the little spacers on the side one because it's a longer piece. So you just grab the glass from either side, push it to the side, you can see the little piece comes out, push it to the other side, the little piece comes out, and continue out with the glass. You can take the glass out from either end. And then we have the whole TubeTown unit all ready to go. Now I'm just going to put it back together. So first we'll do the tube connector. We're going to grab our tube, push it in, and then if you ever have to remove the tube, the best way to align the tube or align the O-ring is to spin the tube around, because we've got this nice round surface and that'll seat the O-ring very nicely. So O-ring in, tube in, back piece on, put it over the cap, lift it up a little bit, enough to slide it forward, and then push it down. Then our film capture piece, then our rear gate. This gate comes in a bunch of different size openings, so you can control humidity inside the tube, and it also depends on the size of the ants that you're working with. All right, so that is assembled. Now we're going to move on to the chamber itself. We're going to put in our rear spacer and our rear gate. Then we're going to put in our glass, bottom it out. Now put in our spacer on the other side. Put in our front gate. Get our front plate, feeding adapter, our label holder. Snap those together. Slip that down. Slide our feeder in, which keeps this from coming loose or coming out. Snap these two together, and boom, we're done. 4 minutes with a lot of talking. Thanks for watching.